Hello students, today we are going to solve a question that had appeared in JEE Mains 2019. Now this question is based on RIEMER-TIEMANN reaction and CANNIZZARO reaction. Have a look at the question. Here we are having a reactant and the reactant is undergoing certain reactions. Now there are three sets of reagents being given. Let us try to understand each one step by step. Let us have a look at the first set of reagents here. The first set of reagent comprises of chloroform, that is CHCl3, and the other one is aqueous NaOH. Observe the reactant. The main substrate comprises of a benzene ring with an OH and Cl, that means it's a phenol. When we are having chloroform and aqueous NaOH, immediately what should be clicking to our mind is RIEMER-TIEMANN reaction. So in the first step we are having the formation of a salicylaldehyde here, that is at the ortho position we'll be having attack of chloroform and final product we have it as a CHO. There is a mechanism involved in between, but I'm not going into the details of the mechanism, wherein we have the formation of dichlorocarbene and then that attacks at the ortho position, and the ortho position compound is the major product because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So right now we are just sticking to step 1, wherein we have RIEMER-TIEMANN reaction, due to which at ortho position we have the formation of an aldehydic group, wherein we have the attack of CHO at the ortho position. So we get this product in the first step. Now let's see the second set of reagents. See, hydrolysis can be carried out in both the steps. In the second set we are having formaldehyde and sodium hydroxide. Now when we write down the reaction using formaldehyde, then it is nothing but CANNIZZARO reaction. Now CANNIZZARO reaction happens when we are having no alpha hydrogen atoms in the alpha carbon atom. CANNIZZARO reaction occurs when we don't have any alpha hydrogen atoms. Now what is an alpha hydrogen? See, this is the aldehydic group here, and the carbon that is bonded to the aldehydic group is called as the alpha carbon. But to this alpha carbon there are no alpha hydrogens present. We are having all the bonds being satisfied. So basically there are no alpha hydrogens. If there are no alpha hydrogens, it will undergo CANNIZZARO reaction. Now in CANNIZZARO reaction, irrespective of whatever is the other reactant, if one of the reactants is formaldehyde, formaldehyde will always form sodium formate, which on further hydrolysis will get converted to formic acid. So the first product what we will be having is the reduction of this aldehydic group, and here we get CH2 bond OH. This gets reduced and formaldehyde gets converted to sodium formate. This sodium formate on further hydrolysis gets converted to formic acid. So the final product what we have is this one, and the other one is formic acid. So let's have a look at the options. See the first one. Here we are having a carboxylic group. So definitely this is not the answer. Again here also we are having the carboxylic group. Now in this case we have CH2OH and formic acid. But let's observe the other groups. OH, that is correct. But here we are having an OH group which is wrong. So the answer has to be option D, with OH at its position. Here we are having a reduction. CH2OH is getting formed after the reduction of the aldehydic group from the first step, which was RIEMER-TIEMANN. And here at the para position with respect to OH we are having chlorine, and the other byproduct is formic acid. So option D is the answer. Thank you.